Alright guys, so Ghost of Tsushima is really stuttering hard, no matter which platform you're using. I just launched the game and it's stuttering so hard. Now, stuttering happens because of a lot of reasons, but usually this game has one specific issue. By default, most of the time, it somehow goes into exclusive full screen mode, and that's what's causing the problem. In short, most games use DWM on borderless or windowed mode, so you won't face stutter. But that's not ideal for competitive games. Exclusive full screen is designed to work directly with your GPU and skip the Windows DWM layer entirely, which reduces input lag a lot. But this game just isn't optimized well, and that's exactly what's causing these issues. So to fix this, hold Alt and press Enter. You'll need to hold Alt and spam Enter as fast as you can, since the game is stuttering so hard it might not register the key press right away. But this method works, and it'll instantly convert you into windowed mode. And just like that, you'll see no lag, no delay, and the monitor isn't blinking anymore. Now, once you're in windowed mode, go into the options. The window mode, which is currently set to windowed, set that to full screen, not exclusive full screen. Otherwise, it'll start stuttering again. Other than that, my aspect ratio is on auto, but you can tweak it if you know your setup. Mostly for 1920 by 1080, the aspect ratio is 16 by 9. After that, VSync. Honestly, I don't use it. It's personal preference, since this is an offline game. But if your monitor is on the weaker side, enabling it will improve your visual experience a lot. I just don't use it because I have a good PC and a higher refresh rate. Then I use DLSS for upscale method. It's working really well for me, and I prefer DLSS over other options like AMD FSR 3.0. For dynamic resolution scaling, I really don't use it. I don't know why. I just don't like it and prefer keeping it default, so turning it off feels better for me. Once you turn it off, you'll see the upscale quality option. I usually go with balanced. I don't know why, but I don't like too much lighting in my environments, so balanced gives me that clean graphics look. But again, that's personal preference. If you have mid or low specs, go with balanced or performance. And if you've got a decent PC and no stutter, go with quality. And then there's nvidia Reflex Low Latency. Usually setting it to on improves performance, and on plus boost is useful specifically when you're using VSync. Otherwise, on is enough. On plus boost basically does one extra step to reduce delay when VSync is active. If you're not using VSync, that extra boost doesn't really do anything for you. And that's it, guys. Now just press F or use your mouse and click Apply, and you're back in full screen mode. But don't go into exclusive full screen if it's causing issues for you too. There are so many users out there facing the exact same problem. Now, I tried a lot of things. I even moved the game onto an NVMe drive, and that didn't fix it for me. But there are a few things you can set up for some extra performance, since this game is genuinely heavy. I also tried disabling full screen optimization and a few other things, which aren't necessary for everyone, but they're good extra steps for stability and reducing input lag as much as possible. Number 1. Go into graphics settings and enable the optimizations for windowed games. So when you're playing in windowed mode, you won't feel any delay or stutter, and the animations will feel a lot more buttery smooth. Also, click on Advanced Graphics Settings and toggle on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling to improve performance. Then click on Add Desktop App and add your game from its install location. Steam users can go into the C drive, then Program Files x86, then Steam Apps, then Common. That's your destination, and you can add the game from there. After that, go into NVIDIA Control Panel, go into Adjust Desktop Size and Position, and set it to No Scaling, and perform scaling on GPU. Hit Apply and OK. Then go back into your game's install location. Right-click the launcher file, go to Properties, then Compatibility. Click Change Settings for all users, and disable full screen optimization. Hit Apply and OK. And lastly, defragment or optimize your drive. Basically, if you're using an HDD, this matters a lot. Sometimes HDDs run slower, and optimizing your game drive can fix a lot of stuttering-related issues. But this is only for HDD, not for SSD, since SSDs use a completely different mechanism and are already much faster. That's it, guys. So the solution is pretty simple. Hold Alt and spam Enter, then put your game into full screen rather than exclusive full screen, which just isn't reliable for this particular game. That's it. This is your host, Syra, signing off. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Explodey FPS for more tutorial guides. Bye!